Hi students, welcome to physics class. In this video, we will discuss about some more problems on units and measurements. Here is a problem on vernier calipers given that number of divisions on main scale is equal to n, number of divisions on vernier scale is equal to n plus 1, and also given that size of each main scale division is equal to a. Then the least count can be written as size of each division on main scale divided by total vernier scale divisions. Then the answer will become a by n plus 1. Next, it is a problem on significant figures. Here three numbers are given. We have to find out their significant figures. In the first case, the number of significant figures are 5 because all non-zeros are significant and zeros between two non-zeros are also significant. In the second case, the number of significant figures are 1. Then it is because in a decimal point less than 1, the zeros right to decimal and left to a non-zero are not significant. In the third case, the number of significant figures are 2 because the powers of 10 are not significant. Next one, it is a problem on relative error given that the relative error in density of solid metal sphere is x by 100% and the relative error in mass and diameter are 6% and 1.5% respectively. The relative error in density is equal to the relative error in mass plus 3 into the relative error in diameter. By substituting their values, the x value can be obtained as x is equal to 1050. Finally, next question is on screw gauge. Given that the head scale is 4 units ahead of pitch scale, which means the error is positive. The least count is equal to 0.5 divided by 50, which is equal to 0.01 mm. It is also written as 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2 mm. In meters, it can be written as 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Finally, which is equal to 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meters, which is nothing but 10 micrometers. It is a problem on dimensional formula. We know that let the angular momentum L is equal to I omega, that is equal to mr square omega. By substituting their dimensional formulas, we get ml square t power minus 2. The latent heat can be written as Q by m, that is equal to work by m. By substituting their dimensional formulas, we get the dimensional formula for latent heat as L square t power minus 2. The formula for capacitance C is equal to Q by V, that is equal to Q square divided by work, that is equal to, by substituting their dimensional formulas, the relative dimensional formula for capacitance can be written as m power minus 1, L power minus 2, t power 4, a power 2.